still chasing freedom? Yeah, you, scrolling right now, hoping that one day money just magically lands in your account and you can quit the grind. I see you, and I've been there before, but let me tell you this: freedom isn't about luck, and it's not about grinding harder. It's about working smarter, building systems that actually pay you, and create momentum in a way that feels good and not stressful. So today, I'm going to show you the real way to escape the grind in 2026, step by step, with no fluff, no hype, just systems that work. So, Glow Squad, let's get into it. I remember sitting at my kitchen table, and this was maybe 2019, sipping on my coffee on my laptop, and just thinking, I'm working so hard and I still don't feel free. I was frustrated and honestly a little embarrassed that I thought that hustling alone would save me. And that's when I realized that what I wanted wasn't going to come from working harder, but actually from working smarter. So let me paint this picture. So you wake up at 5 in the morning, you have a bunch of clients, a bunch of things, endless spreadsheets, and you have to post constantly, and you're just exhausted after all that. And you didn't have any time for your friends, your families, your shows. You're just out of the loop. Where I was like, it's got to be a better way. And you may feel the same way, that when you're hustling hard, you're grinding for that income, but the freedom still feels out of reach. And that's why I created a system that I'm about to share with you. The turning point came when I realized the more I did, the less impact I actually had. And I was just trading my time for money. And here's the harsh truth: that freedom is not about the time spent working. It's about the systems generating results without you having to hover over them. So I started to experiment and just test different systems and started learning about email automations, funnels, workflows, and then slowly my income began to grow while my hours also shrank. So that was the magic of working smarter and not harder. Let me tell you this, it wasn't glamorous at first. It was trying to figure out how to set up the system, making sure the automations were right, creating a funnel that converted, understanding what my community needed. But every step was just a little bit closer to setting up my system and having a system that actually worked. So it was worth it, but it was not glamorous at all. So I want you to begin to shift your mindset. And the first thing, you have to stop glorifying the grind. Working harder doesn't equal freedom. Freedom equals a smart, repeatable systems. And here's a check-in for us where I want you to write everything that you're doing that doesn't directly contribute to income or growth. So how much of your day is spent just spinning your wheels? Is it 30% of your day, 50%? That's where your system starts, cutting out the unnecessary and focusing on what's going to impact you the most. One of the people that I've worked with was spending 60 hours creating content on all different platforms. And after we were able to just streamline her system and focus and help to automate her lead collection, then she was able to go from making $300 a month to close to $2,000 a month with less hustle but more results. So basically putting those automations in place, so then she has something working for her all the time. Even when she wasn't working, it's still collecting leads, it's still sending off the emails, and then the emails have your offers where people can click and lead them to where you want them to go. So once that's set up, then that does a lot of the hard work for you, where then you don't have to oversee it because it's an automated system that's running 24/7. The second thing is picking a system that works for you and not one that some hype guru online tells you what your friend did. Your system should fit your skills, your audience, and your lifestyle. For me, that system was System.io because I was able to build and automate my funnels to collect leads, sell my digital products, deliver value without micromanaging every sale. So, one simple platform, one workflow, it was scalable, repeatable, and low stress. Here's a tip for you all. Please don't overcomplicate it. Less hustle, more strategy. And small steps with repeated consistency are going to equal a massive momentum over time. Imagine that you sell an ebook online. Instead of manually emailing every potential customer, your funnel does, and it'll work for you. So your lead magnet, then it'll put them into an email sequence, and then you can follow up with your sales sequence. So your system is working for you, and you could literally wake up to results, all because that's still able to work for you and complete the whole payment process and deliver your digital product to your customer. Are you listening? Because now this is where it gets good. When you build multiple income streams, not 50 different things, just a few smart ones that complement each other. So you'll have a main funnel that can bring in your leads, a product generating sales page. You could also automate your email sequences to nurture your audience. And the beauty of this is you don't touch this daily, yet your income grows. And that's escaping the grind. Money working for you while you focus on the growth and creativity. Think about this. If you spent $20 a month on a Netflix subscription, instead, the ROI on this is years of your time back and potentially thousands of dollars a month. Now, let's get into our next step because you want to avoid traps. So watch out for these traps. Number one is overcomplicating everything. Pick one platform and master it. Number two is chasing shiny objects, so trends and hacks that are distractions. And then three, waiting for perfect conditions. Freedom does not start tomorrow unless you start today. Here's your 2026 freedom plan. 1, your mindset check. Stop glorifying the grind. 2, pick a system that's simple, scalable, and automated. 3, set up at least one income stream. Something small, you're looking for consistent wins. 4 is to automate and nurture. So emails, funnels, content that works while you sleep. And then scale and focus on your growth, not working more. Glow Squad, this works if you act. Not later, not next month, today. Small and perfect action beat over planning every time. Glow Squad, action beats inspiration. Don't just watch. Take one step today, and that could be joining my email. If this video resonated with you, then be sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell so you don't miss when I drop a video because YouTube be tripping. But anyways, so you can learn more about System.io and how you can use it for your business to be able to market and create income for yourself and your family. I'll see you in the next video, Glow Squad. Be blessed and have a great day.